Do you forget words when you speak English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many learners have the same problem. But here's the good news. Today, I will help you. I'm going to share 10 easy tips to help you remember words when you speak English. These tips will make speaking easier and more fun. Let's begin. Tip 1. Think in English. Don't translate from your language to English. When you translate, your brain becomes slow and confused. Try to think in simple English sentences. For example, if you see the sun, say in your mind, "The sun is bright." Do this every day. Your brain will get faster. Tip 2. Use simple words. If you forget a difficult word, don't stop speaking. Use an easier word instead. If you forget delicious, say very tasty. If you forget huge, say very big. Keep speaking with confidence. Tip 3. Speak every day. The more you speak, the more you remember. Talk to a friend, talk to yourself, or record your voice. If you have no one to talk to, speak in front of a mirror for 2 minutes. Choose a topic like, "What did I do today?" Daily practice builds strong memory. Tip 4. Learn words in sentences. Don't study only single words. Learn how to use them. Instead of just beautiful, learn "The sky is beautiful today." Sentences help your brain remember better. Tip 5. Use flashcards. Flashcards are very helpful. Write the English word on one side and the meaning or a picture on the other side. Check them for just 5 minutes every day. Small practice equals big results. Tip 6. Watch and listen to English. Your brain learns quickly when you listen daily. Watch videos with subtitles, listen to English podcasts or songs. Hearing the same words again and again helps your brain remember them. Tip 7. Repeat new words. When you learn a new word, don't just look at it once. Say it out loud 5 times. Use it in different sentences like, "This movie is exciting." "My day was exciting." Repeating helps the words stay in your memory. Tip 8. Stay calm. If you forget a word, don't panic. Take a breath and explain it in another way. If you forget umbrella, say, "Something we use when it rains." People will still understand you. Tip 9. Write more. Writing helps you remember words better. Keep a small notebook and write one sentence every day. Write about your day, your feelings, or your plans. Writing makes speaking easier. Tip 10. Connect words with images. Your brain remembers pictures quickly. Look at an object and say its English name. See an apple? Say apple. See a chair? Say chair. This simple method helps you learn words fast. These were 10 easy tips to help you remember words when speaking English. Try them every day. You will improve more and more. Now I have a question for you. Do you forget words when you speak English? Tell me in the comments. I will help you. Also tell me which tip you like the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time. Bye-bye.